Buongiorno a tutti. Here we are again in my lovely little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today I'm going to show you how to make an artichoke salad. That's right, you can eat them raw when they're nice and fresh. And I'm going to put a Sicilian twist on the traditional recipe. The traditional way to make this would be using some lemon juice, a little bit of mint and some pecorino cheese, along with a good extra virgin olive oil. That's all that you need. But where's the fun in that for me? I'm going to put a Sicilian twist on it today by adding a little bit of shallot and some raisins and use salted ricotta instead of the pecorino. I'm still going to use the mint and the lemon and a good extra virgin olive oil, and I'm hoping that the sweetness of the raisins will go well with the saltiness of the ricotta and the tanginess of the lemon juice, and the freshness of the mint is going to elevate everything. I'm going to serve mine simply with a slice of bread, a little bit of rucola on the side, and that's going to be a great, healthy, light lunch. So I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and do subscribe to the channel and come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need fresh artichokes, lemon, shallot, salted ricotta, raisins, rucola, some bread to serve it with, and some good extra virgin olive oil. The first thing we need to do is to peel and very thinly slice a small shallot. Remember, you're going to be eating this raw, so the thinner the better. Put the sliced shallot into a bowl and add the juice of half of a lemon. We're going to need this to make the flavour of the shallot milder and also to stop the artichoke from oxidizing later. Now we need to clean and prepare the artichokes. Remove the leaves, cut the ends away from the stems and begin to snap off the tough outer leaves. If your artichokes are nice and fresh and firm, the leaves will snap away easily. Peel them away until you get to the lighter coloured leaves on the inside. Depending on how fresh your artichokes are, you'll be able to eat the stem also, but you won't be able to tell until you begin peeling. This looked fine at first, but then I realised it was going to be a little bit too tough, so I ended up trimming away most of it. As soon as you've cut your artichoke, rub it down with lemon. This will stop it from oxidizing and turning dark. Now, using a sharp knife, cut away the artichoke from bottom to top like this. Then remove the top end, which is inedible, the stalk, as I said, and then cut the artichoke in half. This will reveal the choke, which you can see, and with one simple cut like this, you can remove it all in one piece, like so. The other thing, of course, is that artichokes are all different sizes. I found, even though I'd prepared 2 artichokes, that one was going to be plenty to make my salad. All you need to do is to now cut it very, very thinly indeed, because again, you're going to be eating this raw. So cut it finely and try to be quick, because it begins oxidizing as soon as it's cut. As soon as you have half of your artichoke sliced up like this, add it to the shallot and lemon juice. That will stop it from oxidizing any further. Do make the effort to cut it nice and thinly, it will make for much better eating. Add the artichoke to the shallot and give it a toss around so it gets nicely coated with lemon juice. Add more lemon juice, just to be sure. It also gives a great flavour. You will need 1 lemon per artichoke. Moving on swiftly, before the other artichoke begins to oxidize, slice that up too, and then add it to the bowl. Now add the remaining lemon juice, plenty of it, and then we can start to add the other ingredients. In go the raisins. These will also soften up and soak up the lemon juice and become plumper and more pleasant. Season with a good pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Add some extra virgin olive oil now, we'll add more later, but first we need to leave it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes until everything is nicely marinated, the raisins become nice and soft, the shallot becomes nice and mild, and the artichokes soften up and become more pleasant to eat. After half an hour we can complete our salad. First we're going to simply dish it out, making sure to leave behind any of the excess moisture which the artichokes may have given off. Now we are ready to add the salted ricotta, cut as thinly as possible in nice shards like this. Not too much as it is salty, but it does absolutely taste delicious in combination. We're also going to add plenty of freshly plucked mint leaves. The finishing touch, as always, freshly ground black pepper and your best extra virgin olive oil. Absolutely delicious. I decided to enjoy mine on a nice fresh slice of bread with a little bit of rucola. Now that's a treat. What a wonderful light lunch. And as you can see, one single artichoke went quite a long way. There was easily enough to top 3 nice big slices like this. Buon appetito!